Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so check natin energies na papasok ngayong October. Okay, so ano bang mga pwede mong asahan ngayong October? Okay, this is general. Kung may mga specific, babanggitin natin. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, if you're interested pagdating sa ating private reading, okay, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po ha, pagdating sa ating mga sabi natin, evil eye item. Okay, so isa-isahin natin po ngayon ha, kasi tagal na nating hindi na i-flex. Okay, so kailangan nating i-flex. Hang on. Okay, so all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay, so ito is available in red and black strings. Okay, so lahat ng ating evil eye is for protection from evil eye. Okay? May sabihin nyo, ay ano yan? Bakit evil? No. Okay, yun po ang tawag sa mga eyes na yan. Okay, that is evil eye. Okay, so this is adjustable. So dalawa yung ating evil eye bracelet. Ito yung isa. Okay, this is all-in-one po ha. Okay, so ito is yung ating garterize. Okay, garterize, ito yung adjustable. Okay, so protection overall. Okay, overall protection. Diba? Parang ano tawag dyan, commercial. Diba? Anyway, so ang ating evil eye ring. Okay, so this is adjustable. This is non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. Okay, so ito namang ating evil eye necklace. So ito siya. Okay, so nabuhol-buhol. Okay, hang on. Okay, so ganito siya. Okay, yeah, ang ating evil eye necklace. Okay, so non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, meron siyang extender. Okay, merong extender yung ating evil eye necklace. So pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang tawag ito, chain. Okay, kung gusto nyo. Okay, so yan po ang ating evil eye necklace. So ganyan siya. Ayaw niyang mabigyang husna, hindi siya mabigyang justice sa ating camera. Okay, so ang ating evil eye, ang ating love bracelet naman. Okay, so ang ating love bracelet, pwede yan sa singles, sa may mga ka-conflict. May mga conflict sa mga relasyon, sa mga karelasyon nila, sa may mga ka-separate, sa mga may ka-break. So yan, pwede sa inyo to. Kung anong kailangan sa situation, ipo-provide nito. Okay, syempre plus lang tong mga precious gems and precious stones. Okay, plus lang to dahil meron tayong gagawin. Okay, dyan sa ating love bracelet. Okay, and syempre ang ating granter necklace. Okay, so ito si granter. Hi ulit kay granter. So ngayon na lang ulit siya nagpakita. This is unisex. Okay, so unisex. And yeah, ang chain niya is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long. Okay, so this is made to order. Katulad rin ni love bracelet. Anyway, so kung meron pa pong mga tanong, message na lang kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yeah, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message na lang kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And kung naghahanap kayo ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo. Okay? Magme-message. So magkaiba po yung aming mga FB page. Okay? And yeah, yun lang. Ganun lang. Message na lang po. Okay, so let's start the reading. Okay. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, hang on. Okay. Oops. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, kuha ko ng 6 na cards and then siya ako babasahin. Okay po. So, kung ano man ang lumabas dito, pera, halo-halo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Air signs. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there. So we have here the Three of Pentacles in reverse, the Eight of Pentacles, the Four of Wands in reverse, the Magician in reverse, the High Priestess in reverse, and the Moon in reverse. Hang on, sandali lang po ha, sandali lang. Okay, so ngayong October, para sa mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, hindi po posible, no, yung iba sa inyo ng paglipat ng mga pinagtatrabahuhan, okay? Some of you, pwedeng magkaroon ng chance na makapag-work from home, okay? Makapag-work from home. And, I don't know, iba sa inyo, pwede kasing may mga sabihin natin hindi magandang environment na pagdating sa pinapasukang trabaho, okay? Merong mga i-fix na issue, okay? This is general. May mga i-fix na issue, lalo na pwedeng pagdating sa pera, okay? Merong mga sabihin natin parang matatapos ng loan or may mga matatapos ng bayarin ang mga air signs by October, okay? May mga magagandang balita na pwedeng darating by October pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? So, nakakita ko rito na may mga tao na talagang gagawa ng hindi magandang energy. Okay? Pagdating sa inyo, lalo na sa workplace. I don't know if this is workplace scenario or sa school or sa isang, nandito yung isang environment, okay? So, meron din ako nakikita rito, may mga magde-declutter, like, sabihin natin, parang may mga mag-aalis ng gamit, okay? So, maybe may chance na may mga bibili ng bagong appliances, may mga lilipat ng bahay by October, okay? So, meron ditong parang bigla ang uwi. May bigla, there's this surprise visit some of you, or may bigla ang uuwi galing sa malayo, okay? Pwedeng doon sila nagtrabaho and then uuwi, matagal na to, okay? Matagal nang hindi nakauwi, so I think this is like a surprise, okay? So some of you maging mapagmatsyag, no? Oo. Sa mga panaginip, oo. I don't know why. Some of you, nakakakita ko ng energy rito na pwedeng pagdating sa spiritual, kung ikaw is nasa spiritual na, sabihin natin, may ganun ka, no? Spirituality, mga ganyan. Nandun yung parang meron kang i-work out or something like pwedeng may mag-i-enhance pagdating sa ability mo or kung ano man. Okay? Mas lalakas yung intuition mo. Like that. Okay? The Nine of Cups. Nakakuha rin ako dito ng energy na pwedeng may mga makakakita ng pagbabago mo. Okay? Pagdating sa look. Some of you, meron kang i-enhance pagdating sa looks. Okay? May mga ka-appreciate sa'yo by October. Okay. Yeah, that's justice. Meron ditong mga energy na kung ano man yung issue, okay? Kung ano man may mga issue dito, lalo na kung may mga legal issues, I think may mga workout or sabihin natin may ma-fix by October. Okay, nakakita ko dito ng may mga pirmahan. Okay? Nakakita ko dito ng back pay na pwedeng ma-receive by October. Yeah. A new employer by October. Okay? Maha-hired by October. Yeah, something like that. Okay? Yeah, Temperance. I think October is the right timing para gumawa ng mga desisyon, I think. Okay? Lalo na kung matagal nyo nang pinagdidesisyonan yung isang bagay by October. by ngayong month, no? Ngayong October. May chance na mas magandang gawin nyo na ngayong October kung ano man yan. At lalo na kung alam nyo naman sa ikabubuti. Okay? So, yeah, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Some of you, yung ibang wini-wish ninyo, lalo na kung may mga granter kayo, yung mga wini-wish nyo na sobrang tagal na, pwedeng ngayong October, mag-grant. Okay? Yung may mga granter dyan, ngayong October, mag-grant. Okay? That's specific. Okay, next. Fire signs. Okay. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong mga parating ngayong October for you, fire signs? Fire signs. Okay. Hang on. Sa pang shuffle. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Kuha ko ng 6 na cards and then tsaka natin babasahin. Pero syempre, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, ano to? The Hanged Man. The Magician. Ooh, this is manifesting. Some of you, kung ano man mga minamanifest nyo, parating na ngayong October. Okay, pwedeng sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay darating. This is a lot of blessing, a lot of opportunities ngayong October. Okay, Temperance Universe, yeah. Parang nakukuha ko is mag-e-end na yung paghihintay by October, ngayong October. Okay, the Star Universe, the Knight of Wands. Some of you will reject a fire sign or an Aquarius or a Sagittarius. This person likes you. Okay? Yeah. I'm seeing you parang getting out of conflicts, okay, getting out of stressful connections, okay, ngayong October. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, maraming sabihin natin darating na opportunity pagdating sa connections. Okay, may mga magkakagusto or may mga nagkakagusto sa'yo. A lot of connection by October. A lot. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayo minamanifest na someone from the past, may chance na mag-reach out ngayong October. Okay, yeah. See the Lovers. Anyway. So, what else? Okay. In general, kung ano man yung mga hinihintay nyo, mga pinag-iisipan nyo, ngayong October, pwedeng darating, pwedeng gagawin, pwedeng didesisyonan. There's a lot of decision making, no? Ngayong October. Okay? Oh, no. Okay. So, avoid, ang tawag dito, energy vampires. Okay? Avoid energy vampires ngayong October. They will drain you. They will. Okay, so if they're trying to confuse you, trying to stress you, they are energy vampires. Okay, may mga taong didikit lang sa'yo para makaramdam ng kasiyahan. They are energy vampires. Okay, so there's travel by October. Okay, travel. And I see a short-term connection coming in. Kasama yung travel na yun. Okay? So, expectations. Yeah, the Judgment. May mga magbabalik ngayong October. Past person. Okay? May mga magbabalik. Pero syempre, you have to heal para may mangyaring pagbabago naman. Okay? Someone is being impatient, waiting for you. kung sino man to, Pisces, Sagittarius, if ever, may chance na itong taong to, pwedeng Virgo and Aqua, may chance na mag-reach out talaga itong taong to because you're always in their head. They're being impatient. They want to do something. They want to communicate, or maybe they want to reach out. Okay? Pero yes, this is a short-term connection, I think, or a short-term lang. Okay? Walang masyadong mafi-fix. Kasi kung ano sila noon, yun pa rin sila. Okay? Wala masyado ditong energy for you. Ayun nga. Pero mas maganda yung maraming blessing, maraming opportunities. Okay? Yung darating ngayong October. What's the 7 of Cups? The Knight of Swords. Okay, may chance pa na pwedeng may mga i-reject kayo, may mga hihindian kayo ngayong October sa sobrang dami, like sabay-sabay. Kung ano man to, I don't know. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. In reverse, meron kayong mga tatanggihan, meron kayong mga hindi itutuloy, meron kayong yes at meron kayong mga ino-no ngayong October. Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng mga connection to. There's an offer coming in. Yeah. An offer. What's this Magician? Oh, the Hierophant. Whoa. Are you manifesting a relationship to happen? Some of you, you're manifesting a good relationship. Please, if you're manifesting a good relationship para sa sarili mo, try to heal. Ikaw rin ang sisira eh. Okay, ikaw rin ang sisira. May na-manifest ka nga. Paano kung ikaw is puro issue pa rin? Okay, may darating oh. Ngayong October. Kung hindi yan para, alam ko namang hindi to para sa lahat, pero may mga nababasahan ako sa inyo, mga fire signs na pwedeng dumating yung para sa inyo talaga, pero kayo mismo ang sasabotahe dun. Yes, I'm so sorry, pero yun ang nakuha ko. Okay? Wife material, husband material. Yeah. Okay, there's this energy of commitments coming in by October. Okay, I'm sorry with the noise. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, be careful mga fertile. Yung alam nyo nga kaya nyo pang magbuntes at alam nyo kaya nyo makabuntes. Okay? May chance na merong gano'n na mangyari like pregnancy. Okay? Like sabihin nating biglaan lang. Ay, biglaan lang. Okay, so there. There's a new connection coming in or a blessing. Okay? A small version of you. May chance. Okay. So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, what's coming in this October for you? Okay. Water signs. Ano ba itong mga energy na papasok ngayong October para sa'yo? Water signs. Okay, kuha muna ako ng 6. And then, tsaka ako babasahin. Okay. So, we have here the Page of Swords. Communication. A message. Maybe an important message coming in. Yeah, the King of Swords. An important message. Some of you, this is regarding legalizations. May mga pipirmahan din. Some of you, there's this energy of promotion. Okay? Promotion. May mga makakapasa rito. Okay? The Hermit in reverse, Death. The Ace of Swords in reverse, and the Ten of Swords. Okay, some of you, this is an energy of healing. Okay? Yung parang energy na parang wala na akong pakialam sa closure na yan, kung ano man yan. Alam ko na kung anong kailangan kong gawin. Ayoko na nung parang naghahanap na lang ako palagi ng wala. Okay? So it's like, yeah, I'm ready for healing. Parang ganon. Meron ditong mga mabibigang hustisya. Okay? May mga mabibigang hustisya dito. This is so specific. Yung mga napagkamalan, yung mga sabihin nating naikulong nang wala naman talagang kasalanan, by October, makakalaya. Okay? That's so specific. Okay? That is so specific. You have this stalker. Kung sino man yung nagkaroon kayo ng ending with, may chance na nag-i-stalk to. Okay? They want to know things about you. Okay? There's a lot of sabihin nating energy ng changes na pwedeng mangyari ngayong October. Makikita yan ng ibang tao. Okay? Makikita yan ng ibang tao. Sabihin nating iba sa inyo, pwedeng mga pag-uusapan kayo. Yeah, may mga taong pag-uusapan kayo behind your back. Okay? Yeah. The Eight of Swords in reverse, this is, sabihin natin, ayoko na ng kung ano man, kung hindi ko makita, kung hindi ko makuha, then dun ako sa sabihin nating alam ko, nakikita ko. Okay? Yeah, the Chariot. Moving forward, some of you, you'll get a new vehicle. You will get, or maybe you will buy a new vehicle. May chance din ng travel ngayong October for you, water signs. Okay? There's this ending. I don't know what. Okay, there's this ending. What's this? What's this Ten of Swords? Days of Wands in reverse. Okay, so I think may chance na meron ditong mag-e-end na something like on and off. Kung ano man tong on and off na to, or something lang na pwedeng energy ng parang nagkaroon kayo ng sex-based connection. I think nandyan yung pwedeng may mangyaring realizations, or sabihin nating clarity. Okay? Para mag-end. Kung ano man yung dapat mag-end, mabigyan ng sabihin nating pagbabago, kung ano man yan. Okay? Meron ditong energy ng may mga taong magre-reach out sa inyo, pero hindi sila magiging straightforward, or hindi sila magiging transparent sa kanilang intentions or sa kanilang emotions. Marami kayong stalker by October. Ngayong October, ang dami nyong stalker. Okay? Or maybe may mga mag-i-stalk sa inyo, or ikaw itong mag-i-stalk. Okay? Ang dahilan is pwedeng kalungkutan, boredom. Okay? The Three of Swords. Some of you, you will hear a news regarding a separation. Okay? Or regarding sa isang pumanaw. Okay, ngayong October. Sana walang ganon, pero yeah. Nakukuha ko yung ganon energy. Okay. Scorpio, air sign. Meron or parang may magtitigil ditong energy ng communication by October. There's this secret na pwedeng mabunyag by October. This is so specific. Ang dami kong specific na nakukuha. A secret will be revealed. What is this? May mga decision na gagawin by October. Ngayong October. The Wheel of Fortune. Someone will get or someone will hear na yung isang person is talagang kinakarma. I don't know why. Okay. Occasion. Merong lilipat ng bahay. Merong bubukod. By October. Okay, so there. Next. Earth signs. Okay, so Earth signs. Okay. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so Earth signs. Anong kailangan yung malaman? Anong mga paparating ngayong October para sa inyo, mga Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? So, kukuha muna ako ng 6 na cards. And then, tsaka natin babasahin. Okay. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So, first card is the King of Wands in reverse. The 5 of Pentacles. The 2 of Swords in reverse. The King of Wands. No, the Queen of Wands. The Sun in reverse. Oh, and the 3 of Cups in reverse. I'm getting someone will get caught. Okay, lalo na yung may mga third party. Okay? The 3 of Cups. The 3 of Pentacles and the Star. This is, sabihin natin, magandang energy pagdating sa kaperahan in general. Okay? Lalo na if you're working for a place. Okay? If you have a boss. Yeah. Kung ano man yung minamanifest nyo, kung ano mga pinagdarasal nyo, I guess, by October or ngayong October, darating. Okay? Someone will get caught cheating. Okay? Yeah. Someone will. Some of you, magkakaroon ka ng decision na lumipat na ng ibang trabaho. Lalo na kung alam nyo yung environment ng pinagtatrabahuhan nyo is so unhealthy or toxic na. Okay? Meron ditong hihingi or magbibigay ng child support. Okay? Or ng, I don't know kung tawag doon. Okay? Financial support. Some of you, andyan yung magiging busy kayo ngayong October. Okay? So, may chance na pagdating sa health ninyo is hindi na ninyo masyadong mabibigyang pansin. Okay? So, balansihin. Balansihin ang work, ang health. Okay? Some of your friends, sabihin nating may chance na magustuhan ka. Or may nagkakagusto na sa'yo ngayon. Okay? Pero they're not telling you. Okay? Why? Why the sun in reversed? Some of you, kausap mo na to. So maybe, kaya hindi nila sinasabi na gusto ka nila. Maybe, iniiwasan lang din nila na may mangyaring something. Sabihin nating awkward feeling or ayaw lang din. Pwede kasing iba sa kanila is may mga kakonect na. Okay? And there's a surprise coming in. Okay? Unexpected help, unexpected money ngayong October. Meron ditong makikipag-break, makikipag-separate. Yeah. Dahil malalaman na meron ditong nangyayaring cheating or whatsoever, like something is not going well sa kung ano man. Meron mag-open up or mag-express or mag-decide. What is this? The Race of Pentacles in reversed. The Nine of Swords. Some of you, this is talking about finances. Someone will not, sabihin nating magiging masaya sa mga pwedeng maging decision mo, lalo na sa finances. Ngayong October. May mga babaguhin sa management ngayong October. There is a secret na pwedeng marireveal or sabihin nating kakalat. Okay, and ang nakikita kong ending is meron ditong aalis. Meron ditong may mangyayaring separation. Someone will get caught. May mga mawawalang bagay. Pera. Ngayong October. Travel delays this October. Okay. Someone, meron dito nakakaramdam ng na-intimidate sila or parang feeling nila wala silang maibubuga sa'yo. Yeah, the Hierophant in reversed. So, nandoon yung parang takot sila sa rejection. Okay? Tingin nila mas magaling ka sa kanila. Money. Meron dito mga sabihin nating may mga bibilihin. Something pricey. Okay? Pero kailangan kasi. This is not, sabihin natin like a surprise na, yeah, it's like hindi inaasahan na gastos. Ngayong October. Okay? So, sana sa maganda. Okay? Sana sa maganda. Yeah, the Devil in reversed. Sa maganda. Doon tayo sa maganda. Okay? Kung gagastos man, sa maganda. Parang ganyan. Okay? Magandang dahilan kung bakit gagastos. Mga ganyan. Yeah. Meron dito mabibigyan ng tawag dito, merit. Okay? Pabuya. Mga ganyan. By October. Ngayong October. May mga makaka-appreciate ng looks mo. Looks talaga. Maybe your beauty, mapababae, mapalalaki. May mga makaka-appreciate and someone will admire you. Pero secretly, yeah. Some of you, magkakaroon ng secret admirer by October. Okay? Some of you, nasa circle lang kayo. A circle of friends. Okay? Kilala mo na yun kung sino yun. I don't know. Pwedeng may hints ka na nakikita from that person. Okay? So, yeah, they admire you. They like you maybe. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!